Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to effectively use an LLC. An LLC offers a robust framework for your business, providing crucial liability protection and flexibility. This structure is designed to shield your personal assets, such as your home or savings, from business debts and legal issues. Understanding its core purpose is the first step, allowing you to operate with greater confidence and clarity. It's about establishing a clear boundary between you and your enterprise. The LLC structure acts as a powerful legal shield, separating your personal finances from your business's obligations. This means if your business faces a lawsuit or accumulates debt, your personal assets are generally protected. For example, your personal savings account or family home remain safe, even if your company defaults on a loan for, say, $50,000. This protection offers immense peace of mind, allowing you to take calculated business risks with confidence. LLCs provide remarkable flexibility when it comes to taxation, which can lead to considerable savings. By default, a single-member LLC operates as a pass-through entity, meaning profits are taxed only once at the owner's personal rate. However, you can elect for your LLC to be taxed as an S-corporation, potentially reducing self-employment taxes by many hundreds or even thousands of dollars annually. This strategic choice allows you to optimize your tax burden. Maintaining your LLC's status and protections requires diligent compliance with specific rules. It is absolutely crucial to keep your business and personal finances entirely separate. This means having dedicated business bank accounts and never commingling funds. Furthermore, you must file annual reports and pay state fees, which are usually $100 to $300, to maintain good standing. Failing to do so can jeopardize your liability protection, undermining the very purpose of your LLC.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.